dear, so today in this tutorial we're going to discuss about enthalpies at various points. So let's get started. So basically we have taken a diagram that is temperature and entropy diagram. T for temperature, S for entropy. So what happening here. So we have one, two, three, four, five points. So we need to find out enthalpy for all 5 points. So here suppose that if we wanted to find out HA, then we have different formula. If we wanted to find out HB, then we have different formula. But I can make you understand quite easily these 2 points, HB and HT. This point represent saturated liquid. That's why HB is equal to HF, and this point represent saturated gas. Saturated vapor, I must say, gas. Okay, so that's why Hg. Simple. Now we have remaining 3 points, Hc and He. So here under this curve we have a region, and this region is known as wet region, and in wet region we have to consider X, that is known as dryness fraction. So basically what will happen here, we have to, if we wanted to find out enthalpy, if we want to find out enthalpy at this point, then we have to write like this: HF plus X HFG, and here point to be noted, my dear. HFG is equal to Hg minus HF, because Hg enthalpy at gas condition is more than enthalpy at liquid condition of the matter. Now let's move to these 2 points. Here what will happen in He, Hg plus Cp Te minus Td, Hg plus. Now here what will happen, we have less, if we wanted to find out Ha, then that would be definitely Hf less than Hf, I must say. So Hf minus Cp Tb minus Ta. So if you are looking for solving problems in case of VCRS cycle, that means vapor compression refrigeration cycle, then you need to know how to calculate enthalpies at various points of this diagram. I hope you understand all those concepts. Now what you have to do in the next step, you have to solve and practice few questions related to this. That's why you can do much better in the examination. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you understand all those concepts. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope to see you again in my next video. Bye bye.